Now, here I discuss about the procedure of fertilization. What is fertilization? Fertilization is the process by which the male gamete and the female gamete meet with each other. It is the sexual reproduction process, fertilization. So, I can know about what is male gamete of human beings and the female gamete of human beings. The male gamete, that is spermatozoa or sperm, that is the structure of sperm or spermatozoa, that is male gamete. That is acrosome cap. It is head and it is the body and it is the tail part and it is neck. Acrosome cap, the top portion of the sperm, the human beings, and after the acrosome cap, this head is constituted by the nucleus, that is the haploid type of chromosomes present here, and this is the head and it is the neck part, and the body part is consisted by the mitochondria. And it's called manchete, and tail part also help to sperm at their movability. Acrosome cap is made by the cell organelle, that is Golgi bodies, and that is nucleus and mitochondria. The makes the parts is called the body, and that is manchete, is covered by the cell organelle, that is centrosome. So it is the representation of the sperm or spermatozoa and the male gamete of human beings, and here I represent the female gamete. That is female gamete or egg, fetus remains ovum. And there are the separate membranes we see here, that is the vitelline membrane, and another membrane shows here the outer membrane, that is called zona pellucida. Zona pellucida, and that is vitelline membrane. And it is the first polar body. First polar body. Now, what is the second polar body? Where is the second polar body? Now, I discuss here. In between the zona pellucida and vitelline membrane, there are the space. Some space is found in the two separate zones, that is zona pellucida and vitelline membrane. Is called perivitelline space, and outer part of the zona pellucida, there are some cells are present which helps to take the or attack the and the interaction of the sperm. These cells are called the layer is called corona radiata. Hence, I represent the two type of gamete, male gamete and female gamete. And after the first production of first polar body, the nucleus is divided into the second meiotic cell divisions, and it is divided the two haploid sets, and it is the polar body and the beam structure of second meiotic cell division. It is nuclei, and one is the haploid and another is the second polar body made by the second meiotic cell divisions. And now we can learn about the procedure of the fertilization. How the fertilization takes place in the human reproduction system. That is, I represent here. It is the steping processes. How many steps are found in this type of fertilizations? There are some steps I can elaborate now. That's one. First step is arrival of sperm. Second step is the capacitation of sperm. Third step is the contact of ovum and sperm. Fourth step, cortical reaction, acrosome reaction. Fifth step, cortical reaction. Sixth step is here the union of ovum and sperm nucleus. Sperm nucleus. Now, it is the step of 6 steps for the process of fertilization. First, arrival of sperm. Here we discuss here where the fertilization takes place in human bodies. There are male and female bisexual difference present in human beings. Only the interaction in between the male bodies and female bodies. Only the female bodies can take the male gametes, and total procedures is formed in the female sexual organ. That's here. It is ovary, and that is fallopian tube. Fallopian tubes, the end part of the fallopian tubes and the conjoined part of the fallopian tubes with ovary is called the ampulla. ampulla. In these portions, the fertilization process is take place and the meeting of sperm with ovum, the meeting center of sperm and ovum is this place, that is the ampulla. Arrival of sperm, after the ejection of the sperm into the vagina center to cervix in the uterus, it is thrown into the fallopian tube for the contraction of fallopian tubes and reach in this portion for the signal throwing of certain ovum. This ovum through signals and these signals followed by the sperm. There are huge amount of sperm can gather into the single ovum. Approximately 300 million sperm can throw into the single ovum for the fertilization processes. Hence, this sperm arrive the fertilization center point, that is the ampulla part of the fallopian tube. This here. That is capacitation of sperm. What is capacitation? Capacitation is the literal meaning, that is the capability of sperm. One sperm, any sperm cannot capable to fertilize the egg or ovum. So it can enhance some capability to fertilize the egg, and this work, this functions to enhance the capability for the fertilization of the eggs in sperm shows their activities is called the capacitation. It is the activity of the sperm, and any sperm cannot fertilize egg. Only the activated sperm can fertilize the egg. So the activation of the sperm to fertilize the egg is called the capacitation of the sperm. After ejection of the semen, what is semen? Semen is the fluid-like materials which thrown into the cervix in uterus by the penis of the male sexual part, and it is made by the fructose and glycoprotein and some hormones, and also covered with the sperm. Sperms are covered by the glycoprotein, fructose and liquid formation of the total system is called semen. Semen is thrown by the penis of the male bodies and thrown into the uterus, and it is that all the sperms are resting for the gain of capacitation and mobility and for the fertilization capability. All the sperm are present here, and after ejaculation, sperm follows the signal and reach into the ovum and contact the ovum and sperm. Here, that is the upper layer is made by the different cells layer. This is called the corona radiata. Sperms are present here, and this capacitation form sperm capable with the melting, capable for at the melting of these layers, and for the melting this cap, that is aquarium cap, can secrete the sperm lysine, that is hyaluronidase enzymes. These enzymes can melt these layers and zona pellucida layers and reach into the vitellary membranes. Vitellary membranes, there are Ca++ ions present in this membrane. It is the potential difference formed into these membranes. After reaching the sperm, the ectotomy reaction starts and the fertilizing is secreted for the neutralizations of the anti-fertilizing secretions by the ovum. And after the neutralizations, this ectotomy cap is thrown out of the fertile membrane, and only the pronucleus can reach into this part. And there the potential cortical reaction means the potential difference is changed, and other sperms cannot push their bodies into this nuclei. So only single sperm can reach into the inner part of the ovum bodies. After this reaching of the pronuclei of sperm, here the second mutic cell division is occurred, and the haploid pronuclei of ovum is ready for the fertilizations, and here the funnel-like structure is present, that is called the fertilization funnel. And this pronuclei of union of ovum and sperm, this haploid pronuclei of sperm and this haploid pronuclei of ovum cannot mix with each other directly. It is meet this ovum for the crossing of 360-degree angle of way, that is called amphimixis, and mixed with each other and make the diploid set of zygote. This zygote, that is the total procedure of fertilizations. These zygotes are divided. There are make the 2 cells, 4 cells, 8 cells, and the 64 ball-like bunches of cells are present in here, that is called morula. Now we can learn about the process of embryogenesis, that is the formation of embryo. Embryogenesis. First morula, second blastula, third gastrula, and next the embryo. Blastula form into the ampulla section of fallopian tube, and it is thrown into the inner part of the uterus. After reaching the uterus, it is the sphere 2 to 3 days and presents into the uterus, it can find the wall where it can implant it into this bodies. Here automatically changes the morula into the blastula. The layer of the upper layer, the dermis layer of the blastula is called blastoderm, and the cavity is called blastocele. Next, the gastrula is formatted and it is implanted into the layer of either upper fundus or bodies. Some peculiarities found in these implantations by which where the blastula implanted besides the uterus, other side of the female sexual organ, that is fallopian tubes, uterus, fallopian tubes and placenta, etc. There it is called ectopic pregnancy. Now, after reaching the blastula is formed gastrula, that is 3 layers: ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. 3 layers are found in the gastrula. The skin, hair, nail, all of the outer part of the organ or the body is made from the ectoderm, and the inner part, that is the tongue, stomach, liver and the endocrine system are formed into the endoderm. In the mesoderm, all the connective tissues and other parts are formed by the mesoderm. It is the embryo development is the process of embryo development is called embryogenesis. I learned about this. And the fetal membrane, embryo is called the fetus. The fetal membrane are 4 types, that is chorion, amnion, and allantois and yolk sac. Chorion, the upper layer of chorion is called the tophoblast, and lower layer is called the somatopluric, extra embryonic mesoderm. And amnion is divided into 2 layers. The upper layer is here and the lower layer is here. The opposite of the chorion. Allantois is the separate part of the fetus membrane, and yolk sac is the last part of the fetal membrane, present in the fetus. Now, what is the procedure of implantation? After the fertilized egg, which form into the blastula and into the gastrula, it is enlarged. Their structure is called tophoblast, and that is called tophoblast. It's mixed with the endometrium tophoblast and mix the umbilical cord and implanted into the uterus body after fertilization up to implantation, there are 7 to 8 days durations are found in this process, and in this journey the fertilized egg is converted into morula, into basulula, and implantations are take place at the 7 to 8 days, and after the implanted into the uterus, the female body can show some symptoms that is called morning sickness, that is vomiting, headache, etc. Now we learn about the implantations and fertilizations and embryogenesis. Now the separate part of the human reproductive systems or female reproductive systems are the phenomena that is called menstruation. Menstruation cycle. It is the cyclic order, cyclic changes of ovary and uterus from one menstruation time period to another menstruation period. That is the ovarian changes and uterine changes. The 4 stages: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first stage is follicular phase. Second, ovulatory phase. Ovulatory. Third, luteal phase. Fourth, menstrual phase. Here, repairing phase, ovulatory phase, pre-menstrual phase or menstrual. That is, follicular phase take place 1 to 14 days. The immature follicle going into the mature, make the mature follicle 1 to 14 days. After the 13 days to 16 days, the ovulatory phase is take place at the ovary, and ovum is released from the sac-like structure. And luteal phase, after the ovulatory phase, the releasing of the ovary, of the ovum from the sac, this sac is converted into the corpus luteum, is called luteal phase, and it is secrete the progesterone hormone. And after this sacs abolish and the menstrual phase is take place, it is 1 to 14 days, it is only 13 to 14 days, it is 15 to 18 days, and it is after 28 days. It is menstrual phase stay 4 to 6 days. Repairing phase. After menstruations, the total part is repairing for the next menstruations, and after ovulations, it is called ovulatory phase. It is take place 7 to 14 days, that is 6 days. It is 13 days to 16 days, that is 2 to 3 days. It is 15 to 28 days, and it is